Welcome back to Lamae, in the province of Chumphon in Thailand. It's Friday night, February 23rd, 2024. And this is the northbound Surat to Bangkok train. Three cars, all second class, air conditioned. I think they're all seats. I'm not sure if there's any sleeper compartments on these. There might be. We got a beautiful moon here tonight. Bell. There's the horn, there's the brakes, and there we go. And that's all she wrote. We must have, that's the ring he just brought in. We got a beautiful moon out tonight. They call it the rice moon, I think. And Moy has arrived with family. The power's been out at the house, I want to say for almost 6 hours now, for the most part. It came on for about 30 minutes and then went back off again. The train, I'm trying to remember what they call this one over here. This market, it's train something. They put some new neon up, I just noticed. We got a pretty good crowd here at the market. We got Tigger, who's done his business. Lucky, they've been cooped up all day because we had to go do some tires, so we didn't bring them with us. So they've been cooped up together in the house. Here's the clock tower. Market. There's a couple markets going tonight in town. This is that other market. So that's all Surat. Hopefully the power will be coming on soon because it's unbearably hot at home. Oh, right here. There's my Siri. All right, we'll let you go. Bye-bye.